And the rock Gold Mine draws for your lead, moving up on the outside. Starbucks, Pansy, Bersua, My Chemical Romance is by the rail. Then moving up in between runners, Nabreka on the outside. Surprise Call. Chase Charlie comes next, followed by Replacement. Running by the rail, Shurna on the outside. Moving up is entry number 9, and that's Red Lotus. Samurai Joe followed now by entry 9A. And that is Changing Times. Panamera trailing the group is Elena Spiller. As they turn for home, we have the top favorite, Goldmine, leading the field by about 2 lengths. Running by the rail second is My Chemical Romance. Nabreka and Dory outside. Chase Charlie Bersua. With the last 150 more to run, we have the top favorite with Jeff Sarate, Goldmine, this time by about 6 lengths. And finally, from start to finish, Goldmine. My Chemical Romance, then comes number 11, Replacement, Chase Charlie, and Red Lotus for your Pentapecta.